I've been curious about the history of the 65 F350 dump truck. According to the VIN number, it was built in the San Jose, California assembly plant. On the doors, you can faintly see a number as well as what looks like a city, county, or state seal, but I can't figure out what it is. You can see the vehicle number and you can see a circle, but I really can't make out much of what this circle says. I was also curious if there was a tag on the dump bed stating who and where it was made, and I actually found one. So this tag says Crown Truck and Equipment, Oregon City. And then it has a 1005 stamped on it. So it's originally a West Coast truck that I think spent its entire life in Oregon.